Hi guys, welcome to Maneuver. In this video, we'll talk about IPMAT and BBA Entrance 2021. So majorly, I'll talk about how to start your preparation for 2021, all the examination, whether you have applied for the IPM, NPAT, SET, CRIST or any other exams. So ideally, people start their preparation after joining the coaching classes. And second, some of people start their self preparation. So to both kind of a student, it is very important to know how to start their preparation, what are the do's and don't, and in which area you have to explore much. Okay, moving ahead, we have started the live preparation batch for all the IPMAT and the BBA aspirants. So those who want to join this program, kindly contact on this number guys. Also for online program link, I have given you in the description, so do check the description. So our classroom program as of now on hold in Mumbai, Borivali, Dadar and Vasai, all the centers as of now not functioning. So that is why we have started the live preparation batch where you can study from your home itself and you can kickstart your preparation guys. Now let me talk about the workout guys, which you have to do before you start your preparation. It is like a gym. When you start your actual exercise, before that you do warm up guys. So same way you have to do warm up before you start your preparation. For IPMAT Indore, go to the official website of Indore. For IPMAT Rohtak, official website of Rohtak, and same way NMIMS and Symbiosis. If you don't get the sample paper, then you can check out the mock test guys. At least you will get to know what kind of a question they have asked in the exam. So once you analyze this part guys, point number 1, after then come your understanding. You will be understanding your potential, your strong area, your weak area. Accordingly you have to strategize your preparation guys. After then comes third number, preparation action. After then trigger your preparation guys, and do have a proper and right mentorship from your mentor. So either you have joined coaching institute or you are taking mentorship from any individual. Make sure it should be very right way guys. So mentorship play a very vital role. If this will not be there, then it will be difficult to crack the exam with the good score. Next is what should be your preparation flow. So at Maneuver we follow scratch, basic, question handling, then actual question solving. So ideally people start with the basic, but before that at Maneuver we work on your scratch part guys. Scratch part, I mean to say basic of addition, subtraction, basic of grammar, all this part. After then comes your topic, basic understanding, and then you handle the question, you solve the question from that particular topic. So this will be the easy level question, easy to moderate level question. After then you handle the finally actual exam level question. So your preparation flow has to be very good. So your preparation flow also play very important role. For example, on first day itself you pick the tough question, and for some reason you are not able to solve this question. What happened finally? Your motivation will go down guys, which is very bad way to start the preparation. So after work on your scratch part and basic part, your confidence get boost up guys. After then you hit the question very well. So your preparation and your exam score will define guys which college you will enter with, whether I am Indore or I am Rohtak, NMIMS or Symbiosis. So give your 100% guys, plan your preparation and start working on it. Okay, so these are the two batches we have guys, Pegasus batch and the S2C batch. So S2C is nothing but scratch to crash batch, which is after 10th standard. So after 10th standard you want to start your preparation for all these exam, then you can join S2C batch. This is what the board line number, you can call and join this batch. And those who are appearing 12th standard this year, and also those who have done with their 12th standard, they can join the Pegasus batch. So this is what the board line number, you can call on this number and join for this batch. So guys, it is one time cracking the entrance examination, and finally you will get the prestigious college for your career. Fine guys, for any query and assistance, please write in the comment box. I'll be happy to reply you, and do subscribe the channel also guys, because I'll be coming up with the more videos based on the IPMAT and BBA entrance examination. And if you want to join us, kindly call on this number. All the very best for your preparation. Thank you.